Next on Meet Your Candidates, we will hear from those running for elected office in St. Louis County. This year, there are contested county commissioner races in Districts 1, 4, and 6. County commissioner races are nonpartisan. The candidates run without party designation. St. Louis County Commissioner District 1 is contained in the central part of Duluth. We'll hear first from the incumbent, Frank Jewell.
Hi, I'm Frank Jewell, and I'm running for re-election to the St. Louis County Board. For the last 8 years, I've represented the 1st District, which is the center of the city of Duluth. Runs from Park Point through the downtown, up the central hillside. It includes both St. Scholastica and UMD, the mall, and finally it ends at the airport. It also includes the port. For me, St. Louis County is a wonderful place to live, a place that has so many attributes and so many assets that I want to have other people know about. But it also has things that we need to work on. For me, there were 3 key values that were important as I thought about running the first time and are still important today. They are responsibility, integrity, and accountability. They really have been true throughout my career, from my work with human services to building men as peacemakers to today being a county commissioner. Over the next 4 years, I have 5 really important things that I want to work on. I want to grow St. Louis County as a great place to live, to raise a family, to buy a home, to start a business, and where every kid can succeed. I'm going to do that by being a thoughtful steward of the environment for now and for future generations. I want to value all citizens and ensure that services are available that they may need. I support effective public safety, and that means assuring that everybody is treated fairly under the law and that people are protected and feel safe in their communities and their homes. I want to keep the county financially stable. I would say that St. Louis County is one of the best run counties in the state and is wonderfully well run, but we need to keep it on that task. And finally, I want to look for creative solutions to our county's health and poverty solutions. For me, all of these are the pieces that both keep me engaged and help me make this a better place to live. So please vote for me on November 6th.
The challenger in County District 1 is James Booth.
My name is Jim Booth, and I'm running for St. Louis County Commissioner. This election is about what your vision of St. Louis County is. Will this county be where you want to live and raise your children? I support ferrous and non-ferrous mining. I support renewable and sustainable timber harvest, the aviation and the medical fields. I believe we possess one of the best rail and port systems in the entire country. My opponent is opposed to non-ferrous mining. In 2014, Representative Rick Nolan, Senators Amy Klobuchar and Al Franken all gave their support to permit polymet. Vote for positive change by voting for me on November the 6th. I'm a retired Senior Master Sergeant serving 22 years in the Air Force and the Air National Guard. At this time, there is no veterans on the county board. I'm a strong advocate for all veterans of the county. You have an opportunity to vote in a veteran by voting for me on November the 6th. In 2015, St. Louis County had the highest number of opioid overdose deaths of any county in the state of Minnesota. This is tragic. This epidemic touches all taxpayers of St. Louis County. As a St. Louis County Commissioner, your vote for me will allow me to work with all stakeholders to bring the necessary resources to fight this epidemic. Mental health is an issue in our community. It touches everyone's lives, whether it's a family member, a coworker, or yourself that's battling with it. It's okay to talk about mental health and to obtain the resources necessary to assist you. I'm a strong advocate for those that are dealing with this issue. Vote for me, Jim Booth, so I can assist our local collaborative to eliminate the stigma attached to mental health. I'm a fiscal conservative. I will fight to fund the county needs to the fullest. In 2016, our county was able to fund all its commitments and passed a 0% increase in the levy. In 2017, my opponent was the board chair. He pushed through the highest levy increase in the past 10 years, 8.5%. That same year, those that are living on Social Security received 0.3% cost of living increase. The county's levy increase was 8 times what our most vulnerable seniors received. That's wrong. I will be your watchdog to ensure this never happens again. I have raised my children in St. Louis County. I love hiking, canoeing, kayaking, and recreating in this county. I believe St. Louis County is the best county in the state of Minnesota to live. Your vote for me is a vote for positive change. Let's elect a hard-working commissioner. Let's dump the status quo. I ask for your support and I ask for your vote. Vote for Jim Booth, November 6th. Thank you.